Greetings everyone. In this video I'll show you how to make passive money online. So there is a website called Honeygain. I assure you this is not some kind of scam, but obviously there's a twist. And right here at my dashboard I have made $5 and 87 0.87 honey bucks today. It basically gives money for internet data. So if you give like 10 GB of data, you will get like $1. And I recommend people with high unlimited data plans and high speed internet doing this. If you have like very low data plan, if you do it, this is not worth it. I got my old device right here, that's why it's slow. Just sign up, and if it's running you'll get passive money. And after a while, if it's like 50 GB or something, and you'll get $5. I know it's not much, but it's free money, right? And that's the catch. I have a referral link in the description. If you sign up with that, you will get $5. And try it for yourself and let me know how is it going. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.